Hi, it's Dr. Sammy Pryor, and today we're going to bottle the kombucha. I've already boiled the juice. Well, I didn't quite get it to boiling, but it was very close. And I already put it in the bottles. Okay? In the bottles. Sorry, the kitchen's a mess. We had my sister-in-law's unbelievably gluten-free baked goods. She was making stuff all night the night before. So anyways, how you save your kombucha? SCOBY. So I'm just going to reach in and I'm going to get this top one. Okay. Want to put them in a bowl. Now I'm going to fish out I washed my hands real good. You don't want to be reaching in someone's drink, but I'm going to fish out this guy. There we go. And I'm going to put him in there. Okay, so that's the SCOBY. Now what you want to do, this guy fermented a little too long, a day too late, but you want to save 1 cup of the tea, and that you'll hold on to until you're ready to make your next batch. Okay, that's just to keep it fed. Okay, and I'm set that aside. And now, because I got some pomegranate arils and I used some cherries and I blended it up with the pomegranate juice to make a cherry pomegranate flavor, now I'm going to just get this brewed kombucha into the bottles and put the lids on. I'm going to put them in a box so they'll be at, darkness but at room temperature. And then you check them every 2 to 3 days to see if they're at the fermentation level you like, okay? And that's all you do. Basically, as you see, I already got the juice in there. You only want about 10% of fruit and juice. And I'm just gonna fill this up till, gets up, we want to fill it till it gets up to about here, okay? And then lid them and store them till you're ready to put them in the refrigerator. And that's when you get this all emptied into the bottles, you'll just pour the SCOBY back into the jar to keep it for next time. Okay, and that's what you do. Alright, so now you know how to brew kombucha, now you know how to bottle it and how to save your SCOBY so you can remake it over and over. Alright, I love you guys. That's all this video is about. Bye!